Hey there, I wanted to give you a little walkthrough of the dashboard on Canva so you will know what you're seeing when you see it for the first time, or if you're still not super familiar with it. So when you first log into Canva, you get this screen. I kind of call this it's either the home page or the dashboard. And you can pretty much get anywhere on the app that you need to get to from this page. So first, going down the center of the page, up here you have the ability to just immediately jump in and create something by clicking on any of these icons here. These are all the different types of designs that you can make, from documents and presentations and all kinds of social media posts. They even have a way you can design a website these days and apply it to your own website. So right here is a quick and easy way to get to your first design. If you have a custom size, like these all have sizes, so once you pull it up, you can choose, like for social media, you can size it for Instagram or LinkedIn or whatever. And here you can just click on this and put in a custom size if you don't know what it is, what you're trying to create, what size it is. And so you can put the custom size in, and then you can also upload your own documents or PDFs or photos or videos. Any of those things you can do by clicking this upload button. And so down the page, they're of course going to make suggestions of different things that you can try to create. And you can always use this little arrow button to see what else they're offering for you to look at to try and create. And then below that, it will show the designs that you've been working on. So they're all saved automatically as you're designing them. So once you produce them, you can always come back to this home page and see all the documents that you have produced, basically. For me, I'm using a demo Canva account right now. And so this is a free version, and it tells me over here on the left. And so walking down the left side of the page, you see you can access your profile here. You can upgrade. You can get back to the home page. You can just go browse templates if you want to, if you click on that. And then these are your projects. So if you organize them into projects, which I'll show you how to do in another video, then you can quickly, once you have a bunch of designs in here, you're going to want to quickly be able to get to the projects, have some organization to them actually. Here you can set up your brand. You can add your logo, you can add colors, your brand colors, any fonts that you want, you can add by creating a brand here. And then a content planner is just basically a calendar. So you're able to see what kinds of things they have on the calendar. And you can then go ahead and say you want to post a random act of kindness that day. You click on that and it'll take you to a design page, so you can design something to post there. They have additional apps that you can access, or some of them are free and some of them you would purchase. Smart mockups are basically, if you have any physical products or anything that you want to show as a physical product, you can use this smart mockup area. And so, for example, say you designed a cute mug in Canva, you can then put it here on this mug and it will show what your design is right here on the mug, and then you can use that for advertising or whatever. These look like they are mostly pro level, and so you might be limited in the ones that you can use if you have the free version of Canva. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you that I think buying the subscription for Canva Pro is well worth the money. It is such a great tool. I was paying $60 a month for Adobe products to be able to design stuff. Plus they were super hard to design. They didn't come with any images or anything to work with. And now I pay $120 for the whole year and I get everything in Canva. So it's totally worth the money if you're planning to do more marketing design work for yourself. All right, so let's go back to the home page. And across the top, these are self-explanatory. These are just drop-down menus of getting you where you might want to go on the software. And so there's prompts here for you if you wanted to just look through and you're not sure what you're designing, so you can come here. And then these are more related to if you have a business account and you have a team that's working with it. That's what this business account or this business drop-down menu is talking about. And then these are education tools for anybody who's in the educational field or a student. And then, of course, they're going to have their pricing here for you. And finally, a great learning center. There's a lot of information on Canva to help you get started, and they really have broken it down quite nicely to help you. So I would recommend the design school, or just keep looking out for my videos because I'm going to go through a number of different things that you can do on Canva over the next few weeks. Okay, hopefully that helps you feel more oriented to the app. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.